Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the item from Amazon order history. Maybe you have made a mistake or you just want to keep your order private. Either ways, I've got you covered. First, open up the Amazon app on your phone. Once you have signed in, tap onto the account and list at the bottom of the screen. From here, tap onto the orders that you have selected or purchased before. Untick the product, and that's it. While you can't completely delete an item from your Amazon order history at Jiving, it is a great way to keep your purchase private. Now you can manage your order history and remove items you don't want on display. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.